Hi, welcome back for step 7. We're going to start putting our banner pieces together. So the first thing is to glue our letters to the pieces. There we go. There we have our D. And I'm going to put a button on the corner there to cover that little hole. And then we have our word the past, or past, and the past. And I'm going to overlap that with this pattern here. And let's see, we have remember up at the top. Okay. And then yesterday. And with yesterday, I'm going to have it go off the edge a little bit, so I'm going to put a little piece of foam tape on one side and a little piece of glue where it will actually be connecting with the letter. Okay, so that one's done. So let's find our next one. Okay, so now we have our R. Okay, goes the R, and we're going to put the flower overlapping that so it's going off the edge of the banner. Go. Put a button overlapping the top edge, and then we're going to use the word bliss. Overlapping here, and then the word believe. Where's my believe? There it is. And I'm going to put some foam tape on the back of that as well. There we go. Put that down there. Alright, so that's the next one. Now we're going to do our doily and the E. And we're going to do the word present. Overlap the edge there. And we need the word today. I'm going to put a little foam tape on the back of that. And that's going to go towards the bottom. And a couple of buttons. Okay, and that one's done. Okay, so for the next one, we have the A here, and on my original, I used, see if I can get it in here, I traced the label on this one, but I want to give you another alternative with your pink paper on that. And with that, you could just take your pink paper, do a little tearing, if you don't want to do some tearing, what I did with my label is I just traced that and then cut it out and inked the edge. I always like to give you options in case that's not really what you want to do. Okay, a little ink with the surface. There we go. Glue that there, and our letter A. There we go, and our flower. I'm going to go that at the top. We don't want to cover up the holes there at the top, so we put that there. And oops, I need to trim off my paper. There we go. Okay, so that one's done. Now we're down to our last one with the gold label. And that's our M. It'd also be fun to do somebody's name with this banner. What am I gonna do? Oh, you know what? It just occurred to me we forgot to put delightful on this one. I thought I had an extra piece sitting there. Okay, that just overlaps right there. All right, back to the M. So on that one, we're using tomorrow with a little foam tape. And our flower. And I can move that down a little bit right there. And our word future. I think I'm going to move that right there. All right. All right, so the next step is we're going to like thread our pieces together with our gold thread, so come back for step 8.